Okay, well that was easy. The trim pump bracket was only held in by 2 screws, which is a little disconcerting. So it's free, as you can see. And I'm going to begin to attempt to take out these plugs and connectors. This one goes into the red plug on the side. This was positioned in the back. Over here, this is the starboard side. Over here, obviously, is the port side. And so this would be the front. And this connector goes into this red female adapter, and the wire goes over here, back over here, and you follow it through, it goes in through, you get the light over here, in through here. That's a hole in the transom plate. I think that goes out to the out drive. So I'm going to work this through like so. And I think maybe I'll turn the camera off.